Hi, welcome back to High Maintenance Off-Road with me, Heather. Hope everyone's doing well. We're here at Chris's garage to put some tires on my rims and put the beadlocks on because I learned the hard way and I had my tire roll off of the rim. But you'll see that in the next video. So make sure you like and subscribe, help us out, and help our channel grow.
So, did Dad call you and tell you what I was wearing so you could match me?
Actually, yeah.
What a dark.
I know, but hot pink is actually my favorite color and...
You gonna help or?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I guess I better get off my butt.
Alright. So let's show them what your rims look like. There you go.
Let me put the copy down. Woo! I know everybody's seen these from the first video, but if you haven't, here they are. I got the chrome System 3s, and I'm really pumped. My cage is going to go chrome eventually, so they're going to match really good.
We're just going to take the stock Rampage tires off for now, hold on their beadlocks that she has, and then we got the old rims for probably paddles.
Yeah, paddle tires or stud tires, depending on what we want to do with them.
So if you guys got a good paddle tire for the Turbo R, hit us up in the comments.
Comment below.
Even for the Pro R too, because I'm hoping to get a set of paddles to draw on my stock rims as well. So let me know what you guys are running or what feels good. Yeah, so Heather's going to learn today how to
Torque,
yeah, put a tire on a beadlock.
Yeah, so enjoy.
Alright, so what you want to.
Definitely got to put this hair up real quick.
You're going to want to take the WD-40, spray around the seal here,
Okay.
and then I'll grab a tire for you.
Alright. That was a little extra.
Yeah, definitely extra.
Okay.
And then spray the tire. Right on the leg.
Yeah. Cool
Watch
you
your
off. Just so it'll slide on better.
Yep. Not to. Okay.
And then we put the beadlock on.
Right somewhere. So you got your long ones to help you get it started.
And then they come out.
Yeah, and then they'll come out and your short ones will go in.
Push the tire.
Yep. Done. I just do the 4, like a cross,
Okay.
X, whatever you want to do.
Plus sign X. Whatever you call it. Same thing.
Okay.
Now
that one down a little more. Should help.
There we go. Another 80-degree day in Michigan. I love it. It's beautiful here.
Yeah, it's nice today. Like it's been really humid the last couple days, but today feels good.
Yep.
I'm just gonna get these somewhat tight. You're gonna use a torque wrench, but. Yeah, so we're not sure if we're going to go with the Terra hooks for Heather's car or the MRTs. It sounds like the MRTs might be a little stronger for the sidewall. So I think it depends on what your plan is for racing compared to trail riding. I'll probably go with the MRTs. It sounds like they're going to be the right tire for me because I struggle with just
your
punching.
sidewall. Yeah, you need a strong sidewall for sure.
Yeah, because I'm already on tire 4, so we got to get that figured out.
All right, get your torque wrench.
Gosh, you're not done yet?
No.
What is taking so long?
It's so hot. This is freaking ridiculous.
How many times have you gone around?
Like 10.
10? Yeah, just keep going.
No one told me it was gonna take this long. Thanks for the help, guys.
I'll do the fun part. I'll unbox your stuff.
Ugh. All right. All right, that one's good. That's good. That's good. Good. Good.
Yeah, see, it says retorque after 50 miles, and then every time after 200 miles.
All right, I think we're good.
System 3.
Yep, we're good.
Yeah.
One down.
You want to air it up?
Yep. Whoa! Oh my God.
All right. Round 2.
Done. I got sweat dripping down my nose. Whew. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, you got it on your rim.
Oh no.
You like pickle juice? Okay.
I haven't done that in a long time.
I'm making a pork rice bowl, like Cordoba style. You want one?
Yeah. Time to put the tires on. So I just gotta get it off the ground.
That Badlands jack is squeaky, ain't it?
Yeah, we need a little WD-40 on this. But these are awesome. Definitely go out and get yourself one.
Definitely.
Badlands.
Definitely.
It's that awesome.
Is that awesome? It's definitely awesome. Come on, jack it up.
It's off.
I usually sit down. It makes it easiest for me so you can see what you're doing.
Sit down.
Yeah, I sit right on my butt. When I get it, you got it.
Just give me some tips.
So I sit on my butt, my legs straight out. Don't let your feet legs go under the tire.
That?
You gotta pick it up and get one on the lug,
Okay.
and then roll it until you get the rest.
What?
Right.
Oh, I got it.
There you go.
What the
There
heck?
you go.
So what, I'm just torquing these the same way?
Yeah. Stand up.
Stand up?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see. Come on, Chris. Check that first one. Oh no, it didn't. I hope everybody has been enjoying these videos, watching me learn. I know I'm having a blast. I've learned a ton. I'd love for some advice. Please comment below. Any awesome plans this summer? Where's the cool events? Let us know. I'd really like to know so we can get out there and do things that we've never done.
Yeah, we want to come hang out with everyone. We're going to go to Silver Lake soon.
Yeah.
I know it's been, what, how long for you?
About 20 years.
Yeah.
I got traumatized the last time I was there, so I'm excited to be in a machine that's safe. I broke my collarbone in a four-wheeler accident. I don't know if everyone can see that big lump I got right there, but it's pretty rowdy.
Yeah, yeah.
So
thanks for watching, guys.
yeah, like and subscribe. Till next time, we have a lot of awesome footage coming for you guys. Just tune in and just, like we said, like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.